Dreamt as a kid, worked for the dream through my 20s, and now living it as an oral oncologist. Everybody has a bit of a superhero in them, and oral surgery brings out the superwoman in me as I make people's life better by treating oral cancer patients.
Oral maxillofacial surgery for me is a very rewarding career, my passion and my identity, love and power to all other female max fans all around the world. Keep rocking.
Surgery has been my passion from childhood. In fact, I don't remember a time when I have considered any other profession. Patience and perseverance are two virtues which all children should be having. Maybe a little more hard work for us girls. Once world realizes that you are serious about your profession, there is no stopping of us. Your career will just take off.
I just had 37 years of experience. If I could do it, all of you can do it. With changing times, women OMFS can conquer anything in this field. Come on.
What drives me the most is the science and technology with which I have traveled for 29 years and got a fantastic results. I wish all the women maxillofacial surgeons in the world all the best and stay safe.
I chose to be an oral surgeon. It was very much my first choice. The fact is that to be an oral surgeon, one has to be a little dedicated. And yes, I think women are doing pretty well. I have reached quite high positions.
What surgery means to me is surgery means a world to me, and it has become my identity. And if you ask me what drives me is to see all ladies working wonderfully in our field and reaching to new heights in spite of all odds.
Much more than a citation or an award to me, a maxillofacial surgeon. Giving a sense of wellness to an affected individual is what surgery means to me precisely.
In one line, I should say, it makes me feel as a full and wholesome doctor or a complete doctor. Now I should say that a surgeon should have a lion's heart, eagle's eye and lady's finger.
It was a real challenge for me and I took it. Oral and maxillofacial surgery is the field which has given me a big satisfaction in my career, in teaching and in surgical field.
My passion is oral surgery, and what drives me most is the need of the people and innovations in our field. My advice to all young Max girls: don't get disheartened by the necessary breaks which you have to take as a woman in your life. You will definitely bounce back much stronger, much able, just like a phoenix.
My decision to become a surgeon was largely driven by the values instilled in me by my family. I cannot imagine a more fulfilling job as being a part of a profession focused on helping others regardless of circumstance, facilitating them to lead healthier and happier lives.
Surgery is my passion. Apart from my teachers, the patient satisfaction I offered during my UG days could be a cause of me being a maxillofacial surgeon.
It's a blessing being an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Being a woman, it's extremely challenging but thrilling. It's my pleasure to utilize my surgical skill and provide extreme care to my patients in this noble walk of life.
Surgery has always been about chasing my dreams, and today when I feel that my dream is coming true, all I want to tell the upcoming women maxillofacial surgeons is that when somebody tells you surgery is not worth it, don't believe them and go for it with full gusto.
But being maxillofacial surgeon gives me pride and a sense of achievement. It's something that has given purpose to my life.
Treating these diseases is not only challenging because of long working hours and operating with precision, but it also requires a lot of patience, empathy towards the patient and the patient's family, as well as an altruistic perspective, which I believe women are abundantly gifted with.
I call myself a scalpel warrior with artistic fingers and poetic heart. Once raise your bar higher than what you had set yesterday, because every day is a new beginning with some amount of experience.
Oral surgery is my passion. I always felt happy how appreciative the patients were for the care they get. And I thoroughly enjoyed the preoperative planning and the minute details necessary for a successful surgery. For me, it is exciting, challenging, and adapting to innovation in tougher cases has always driven me through.
It's something that has given my life purpose and added value to it too. I'm always driven by the feeling of satisfaction, and the ability to do that is something amazing. I think it's a superpower, and I'm always driven to be able to deliver the best to my patients. Having said that, I think our field requires lifetime learning, but in the end, it's all worth it.
It is such a vast specialty with so much to do, and the deeper you go, you realize that there is so much more that can be done in this amazing specialty with a promising scope for research. I'm extremely happy and proud to be an oral and maxillofacial surgeon.
I was intrigued about oral surgery for the connecting bridge that it serves between dentistry and medicine. So I decided to make oral surgery my future and my life.
As a maxillofacial surgeon, every day is a new day. Every case is a new case. So many learning opportunities. There is no age, no phase for learning in this field. Oral surgery is enormous and limitless. It's exciting and challenging. This is a kickstart to our lives, and we are enjoying this ride.
We are proud to be an oral and maxillofacial surgeon.
The thing which drives me to take maxillofacial surgery as my profession is my incomplete desire of being in a medical profession, and this branch satisfied it to the fullest, and I am totally passionate about it.
Surgery has been my passion, and it gives me immense joy, excitement, and it gives me a feeling of completeness as a doctor.
But what is common amongst all of us is our passion and love for surgery. So 3 cheers to all the strong women maxillofacial surgeons. May we always empower each other to do more, learn more, and be more.
I find this branch extremely interesting, and you are able to pursue any particular procedure with sheer hard work, patience, and a lot of dedication and discipline. Make sure you have a team that works for the betterment of the fraternity of oral and maxillofacial surgery.
Surgery is something that brings in a lot of satisfaction and contentment within me for the fact that I'm able to give something back to the society.
Precision, dedication, and commitment are the core values that drive me towards the field of oral and maxillofacial surgery, keeping me inspired every day. I love to spread awareness about our field, to teach, and more importantly, to encourage more and more women to join our field from here on until forever.
It's quite challenging to work in the region of the head and neck because of its complex anatomy and physiology. And these challenges are what drive me. And at the end of the day's work, there's a great sense of satisfaction.
My area of specialized expertise is in the management of babies born with cleft lip and cleft palate deformities. I believe, and I firmly believe, that if at least I can change one face at a time, it will not only change the life of the kid, but also the people around the kid. To me, it's a great honor, reward, and respect.
Surgery is magic. The magic of putting those broken pieces to precision, demolishing and reconstructing, cutting and fixing, and all these eventually just to bring joy, happiness, and hope on the face of your patients. And I think this magic drives me. To all my fellow colleagues, be stubborn and determined in your goals. It's worth it. Let the magic flow limitlessly.
Oral and maxillofacial surgery for me is a means to reach out, to heal, to transform, and to restore faces and lives. With every happy patient, my zeal to serve gets renewed by leaps and bounds.
OMFS to me has been a lifetime memorable, thrilling combination of experience and achievement. It holds a lot of promise in terms of stem cell therapeutics, regenerative medicine, and biomaterials for the future generations to explore. All the very best and get started.
We all are passionate about oral and maxillofacial surgery.